be far from you, Obazee. You, this time around, you will hear for body. You they try me. You they try me. For you to take put this thing for your Facebook. You do live video. You beg me. Me, Obazee. Me, you don't fear Abat. You go pay this one for your Facebook. My brother, you don't get peace. Me, Obazee. Even said to them, say, make everybody beg me. But my brother, you don't go get peace. Peace. This time around, people say you don't hide, you don't smoke igbo. You go pay this for my Facebook. You don't fear. God don't catch you. First, I will stop speaking. My brother, you don't get peace. Come bet me. You don't get peace. Come bet me. Me. Now this thing they post for my. Now this thing you they post for your Facebook. My brother, peace will run for you this time. Now speak, my brother they talk. You go to post it for my this thing. He bless you have. You have. Wait now, okay, this guy the fix me on the block. Okay, this guy fix it, I don't know the block. I don't give the room since. You don't know say me the block person. My fair leave him first. My your comment, may I leave you. But if you comment again, I'll kick you out. No fear, no. Your brother will feel that this kind of thing put for this thing. You dey man, you smoke. Peace go dey far from you, Abba. Come back to me. Smart Obazee, you dey try me, you dey craze. You dey mad. You. This guy see the comment. John, I go come out you for here. Wait, if I say you dey craze. No, if they say, okay, I felt this your comment, you know here. Okay, make I block you now. I'll kick you out. I felt this your comment, you know here. You see drop comments. I don't kick you out. Comment now you feel comment. You don't feel comment. I don't. We're bad de mana. No fear. See brother, they pay this kind of thing for brother Christian. You they mad. You high. Come on, enter your body. You. All my money where you waste, you go vomit all of them. Miss Obazee, this time around, Abba, you know, get peace, come back to me. So Obazee, God, you're mad. To hear girl, we're not men. Peace go dey far from you. Peace go run for you. This time around, your wife no go get peace. As now I made my own not take get peace since yesterday. Your wife no go get peace. All of you no go get peace. And they come. You dey mad, you dey crazy. Now you dey see me for America. When you dey cast me, they sweat for you. You smoke before you go police case for your Facebook. Why you rush go delete her? Make that fire you there. Why you rush go delete her? You how you smoke? So that smoke picture. Now you want post. You mad. You are a stupid person. Who are you? Then people say, man, they beg me. You they pay this kind of rubbish, no even fear. The day when I born my daughter, you will paste her. You don't even paste all of my picture. You will put my daughter out of the camera for her. My brother, you know who get peace. Your kids don't go get peace. Your wife don't go get peace. I don't block everybody who's supposed to they beg me. I don't kick them out. Nobody will beg me now. I go give you fire to fire. You are Obazee. Who here, girl? You don't get peace, they craze. You the mad. You must do a video to apologize to this thing when you post. I go, hey God, when I don't say, brother, now they keep brother, I don't see him. I mean, go do, see, hey God. Wait till I go use what I see for this Facebook, eh? For the next 1 year. Brother, you go regard this, you go beg me, you, as a job of family, I will make sure say, that but you never know me. Obazee. You know fear. Call, no enter your body, see, after. No paste this guy picture. And they say, he's your brother. Una wa say brother, now ogo here beru wa bishuwa. Una wa go talk say, na your brother na your brother. Now, thunder go kill na papa, kill na mama. And that brother, the place can't see. I sit down for my home. Now, my house, I did so for America. Now, my car is this one. See my car from that side. I did on my own. You did, we shots me. You say, I'm not getting it for Nigeria. But you can't tire recently now say, small my own book. See what you get from Nigeria. You can't close. You can't do anyhow. You not call me personal. You dey tell me, say me dey send me voice record, say make I lock up. Thought I will fire you there. Waiting, why you not call me? Who are you to tell me what to do? Or tell me where to move, where not to move? Who are you? You are nobody to me. You are a trash to me. When they call about several family, who are you for that family? You get back past me. Who are you? This idiot, no fear. The best, the rarest client for my face, for his Facebook, he posted. God no catch you. Baba. You get yourself, I'm not very close to you. But brother, you for year for body. Now police will for arrest me and you. They'll say, brother, brother, stop, brother, you. It will never be well with you. As you take spoil close to 5 million naira from my hand. You spoil her. It will never be well with you. You spoil my money from my hand. It will not be well with you. You, I will smoke you, I will smoke your wife, I will smoke everybody. Me this time around, or go kill you. You no fear. You don't quit personal. You dey put cats on my Facebook. You don't talk here bell. Who are you? Who are you? As I tell you, some money went to my wallet. It's close money for beer for my wallet. Close to $500. Now you take my wallet like this so. Normal wallet, $500. Now you this and this. Small wallet. You feel say I had a joke? You feel say I had a joke or I had a lie? 500 ain't not a small wallet like this. No man gas money. This is $500. Who are you? Who are you? As you just spoil my money, now so God will just spoil your home. Just the watch. Me is my Obazee. Now me go finish you. You, my own brother, they take outside the heart 10 days. You say maybe not finish you. I will finish you. The man talk about all this. Now I'll go kill you. This idiot. Why you go delete the post if you not fear? You for liver. You will for wait for me. You go for see how I will for tell you to wrong for social media. You dey mad talk to fire you for them. How Obazee regime do I benefited? Obazee 8 years. What did Obazee do for you? Make to fire you for that. Make Ogu kill you for that. Kill Obazee. Idiots. Mother, you idiot fellow like you. Who you be to me? Tell me. Who are you to me? But I am not body to me. You know. You know body. To me, first Obazee is consigned. You know that was the one. You are not body to me. You know. Because of your foolishness and your uselessness. In family, they do group. Only you want. You carry the good chat, the good conversation. You blow for internet. Idiots. Call yourself elder brother. Elder brother, my foot. Or go kill that brother. Who elder brother help? Turn that fire elder brother. Or go burn that brother. And I'm going to say, I'm feel mad for ground. Who can I bear? Oh, who can I bear that brother? And that brother, as well know, say when they fuck up. Then they flog her. This idiot. And that brother will not do way. Then they flog her way. Make it for year one. You go take people for her. You idiot. Proper money, you. They give people info about me. You, Albert. You go here this time, man. You go here now. See, you know who they do video again. Just come back to me. Nobody can stop me. Not born of a human. I'm a self-made boss. I'm a self-made. That's why I believe in myself. I make my money legit. You sure say I get property from Nigeria. You go cash you. You dey mad, you dey wine. You want to use my house to compare your house, you dey crazy. You want to use my house to compare your house? You as you high. You don't know how much I take in my house. You want to use my house to compare your house? What's it when you see idiots? You want to use my house to compare your house? You know you don't feel trying. You don't feel my own house completely. Take compare your own. You know. What's the word this idiot? This foolish idiot who don't even listen to your parents. They talk anyhow. Same as when they come beg me. You they tell them they come beg me. You don't call me directly. You be useless person. Who can bell? Now so Obazee, may nobody will come back. You crazy. You get money pass what you want give me. Since I tell America, you don't ever send money before. Me know you before. We they talk. You know the way I tell there. You shop and say I don't buy house for America. Go enter your body. I buy for America. I buy for Nigeria. I build for Nigeria. How many months I tell my house? You don't shop. My house only 3 months before I finish up. You don't know how many millions I spent for them. You just crazy. How many years you say build your house? How many months I can build my house? 3 months. What's a worry I built my house 3 months. He cash him say, who get this mansion? Now start Obazee. Don't put for ground. You don't reach 3 months. I don't finish. I'm alive. I'm alive right now. House don't finish. My baby they call just not say me come back me say my head she. Now I say me don't worry say I dey life. You know what today. She walk come out and say make as me come back me say my rest. She know what today. And last how far day life say make your day. She just something go inside house. Because she know what today happen. This idiot will even take 2 video. This idiot will pay this kind of thing for my Facebook. You'll see my no heart. Say American government, you dey craze. You dey mad, you whine, you drink alcohol, or you smoke igbo. Something enter your brain, the phone no catch you. People don't say, smart, now your brother now, when I wait talk to my brother, oh go here big work with you are. Who will say again say, smart, now your brother, come, now enter brother, now you kill now. Enter brother, will follow. Enter grave. Make enter brother kill now for them. Which enter brother? That one. That one. Which enter brother? Enter brother will they do anyhow? Enter brother will they carry family conversation for WhatsApp? You go block internet. Who is that? Who does that? This idiot. This fool. This fool, you dey paste this kind of thing for your wall, So you know say I go retaliate. If you say all those beg where they beg me, if you say begging, they see. If you dey beg me, it go be like say you dey put fire. Not just beg me, I go rest. Say when you go dey beg me, you dey put fire more. I don't dey hear beg. Don't leave me, not just beg me, then I will rest. Say, call the beg me, say, don't forget that no, now, you did put fire. If I never true with you, I not will rest. Born of a human, even say God called and said, oh, my pikin rest, I will say, never in history. Even say my mama call here, beg me on the papa, I will say, never. He cannot love back now. And don't be, or I cannot just my Obazee. All you go carry a shoe, pull for head, roll far distance, 100 miles. That's what I'm going to do to you this time around. You fools. You will tell people to be calling me. What happened to your phone? Why can't you call me directly? Why can't you call me directly if you are not foolish? If you are not stupid? All you do this season, 3 to 4 days ago, all you do, you casted me and you wasted close to 5 million from me with my money. You wasted, you spoiled my money, you know. 4 something million. Now you spoil so. You come to the family, couldn't talk earlier. Who don't know what they was say? That brother, una dey mad. Commenter, una dey crazy. Which is that brother? Now that brother can't come America for you. Now that brother know I say come America. Now I must say how fast smart to enter America. You don't have nothing. I say move. That useless one where we know. That from the one, me and a cataract. Forget social media. That from the one, me and that boy know they play. We should say man. Boy on the corner. Not be someone that always say that they respect himself that they call him man. That one a boy. A craze. Not be that boy that want to respect himself as they respect. And that boy want to respect himself. Then they finish her. Who can bell? Now only you want must get the craze. When you know say must get boys. When we say their skin full, can't all of us who they after we boys? Which one, Abba, which one you get money pass? Is there? Count us. Which of you get money pass? Fear will let you talk. Which one is how you get money pass? Is there? Everybody's skin not full. On our bright, on our back, on our genius, on our me. Who you get more grip pass? Talk on. Who? For the family. Who you get more cash pass? Who? Tell me. Who you get property pass for the family? Tell me. Now me or a bed. Who? Tell me. For that full family. As positive bonus. Who you get money pass? Your photo can say you get money pass month. How? Tell me. And that's what they fuck up. And that's what they mash line. And that's what they do anyhow. And that's what they listen to anybody. And that's what they fuck up. If you don't do before, are you they mad? You go pay this kind of thing for your war. You will say me cannot react. If I react, they will say, Smarty! Now you're not brother. Or go here, do one better brother. No better brother where you know himself, you know the respect. The one when don't know himself, then they go lower for ground. They grace. It used to be like a friend. Senior men there, then they do anyhow. Some people go use and take play. Senior men, when they force senior men, if they don't respect themselves, small people, they go fuck them. They go fuck senior man up. They will say fuck up. They want to make themselves up. They want to make them fuck them up. Because now senior man, we don't know himself. Some people use and take wrong ground for ground. You don't know. You officially go rest. Because you don't go delete your post. You will say make a rest. When you make you post my this thing for this thing, you drink or you hide. So you don't know, wait, Abba, you don't know send me the Facebook. So you don't know send me get Facebook like this. Send me get platform. So you don't know, you drink. Say, I need to the passport. If anybody post my this thing, I dey respond to them. Wait, not today you know. Or not today you know me. Now today you know smart Obazee. So now today you know me. Then you go post my this thing for your this thing. So you don't know say me will reply back. So you don't know. The black person don't drink. Maybe you don't hide. You don't fear the best my daughter picture. To your salwa. To your salwa. I got one picture you get to. To your salwa. You are a fool. Who give a fuck about your children? As far as you don't respect my own daughter, your children, all of them, they are useless. You did crazy. Say to the American say you they since they post me. I said to government, police will not arrest me and useless. You're impossible for us. Stupid brother, useless brother, very useless animal. Brother, when they spread brother money, that one a brother. Not you make the money for me. You don't know the way I get there. Brother, when they spread brother money, that one be brother. Who are you? Who you get money pass? Now me? Or now me you get money pass? Tell me. Tell me, who you get a war pass? Or your house better pass my house? Or my house, your house for Benin better pass my own?